If you like Snickers, you'll love Snickers in a cup. Well, hello, welcome to Tracy Creates Dishes. Start by crushing 80 grams of chocolate biscuits. I used Oreos. Place in a food processor, or you could use a press seal bag and a rolling pin if you prefer, until a fine crumb forms. Evenly spoon biscuit crumbs into 4 small bowls or glasses. Gently smooth the crumb mixture with the back of a spoon. Freeze 300 ml of cream for 15 minutes. Then pour all of the cold cream into a mixing bowl. Start to whip the cream using a hand mixer. Next, add 40 grams of icing sugar to the cream and whisk until soft peaks form in the cream. Add 70 grams of thick caramel sauce to the cream and whisk until stiff peaks form. Evenly spoon caramel mixture in each of the bowls. Place in the fridge to cool while preparing the next step. In a heat-proof bowl, place 150 grams of melting chocolate of choice. Pour 100 ml of hot cream over the chocolate and continue to stir until the chocolate has melted and starts to thicken slightly. At this stage, add 50 grams of Peanut Butter Choc Chips. I use Reese's brand, or you could use peanuts if you like. Stir to combine. Evenly add the chocolate to the 4 bowls and place in the fridge for 20 minutes to set. Do you like this recipe? Subscribe, like and comment below.